Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to tell you how to keep white carpet clean. I'm an expert at this because I was picking out my house and my carpet and everything when I was 7 months pregnant and wasn't thinking I'm going to have a baby crawling all over the floor, spilling stuff, getting crumbs everywhere. I ended up with a lot of stains on my carpet, and I was constantly scrubbing the spots on the floor. So if you do have white carpet, rule number one, no shoes in the house. I know it's annoying when you go to other people's houses and they want you to take your shoes off, but you're going to have to be guilty of that too if you have white carpet, because people are going to track in anything and everything from outside all over your carpet. So no shoes in the house. That's going to make your carpet last a little bit longer and stay white a little bit longer. It's still going to get dirty though. So 1 to 2 times a year have a carpet cleaning crew come in and professionally clean or steam clean your carpets for you. They will usually do spot treatment beforehand and then clean the entire carpets, but don't do this more than 2 times a year because mold and bacteria tend to grow more rapidly. The more often you clean your carpet, the longer it stays wet, the more likely you are to have mold and things growing up underneath in the padding under the carpet. So be mindful of how often you do that. And make sure that your carpet dries out completely. If it's warm outside, open the windows, turn on the fans, do everything to make sure your carpet is dried completely before people come back in and step on it, before you replace your furniture, because you want to make sure not to have any mold or anything growing. It's very dangerous, it's not good for you to breathe and things like that. So, if you have white carpet, no shoes in the house, have them cleaned professionally once or twice a year, and they should stay pretty clean. Invest in something like this that's good for spot cleaning. Vinegar and water is an excellent solution to clean with. It's about a cup of vinegar and a quart of water, and that's really good for spot treatment. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you keep a white carpet clean.